Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking prerequisites. Your phone needs active cellular data and a carrier plan that allows tethering. Once done, go to Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot. Make sure Wi-Fi stays on. Set an easy-to-recognize SSID and a secure password so devices can connect without confusion. Choose 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for higher throughput if supported. These steps get the hotspot broadcasting, while your phone remains connected to Wi-Fi for management tasks. You now enable sharing while the phone stays on Wi-Fi. If your OS supports Wi-Fi sharing or a tethering bridge, turn that on so hotspot traffic routes correctly. If not, use USB tethering to a laptop or Bluetooth PAN to offload the hotspot without dropping Wi-Fi. Make sure to set the AP band and DHCP range to avoid IP conflicts and limit concurrent connections to preserve bandwidth. These choices control how devices use the host connection and prevent accidental routing loops. You finish by verifying the connection. Connect a single device, run a quick speed test, and confirm DNS resolution. If devices can't access the internet, restart the hotspot service and toggle the phone's Wi-Fi. That often clears routing glitches. Make sure no VPN is forcing traffic off the hotspot. If problems persist, reset network settings on the host or check with your carrier for tethering restrictions or APN requirements. This final check ensures stable sharing and a clear path to fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.